Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, fuel efficient, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, privacy glass, steering wheel controls. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.